Have you ever sat down to work but end up watching random videos all day long? Look, I get it. I used to do the same. But I found a way to stop procrastinating once and for all. And it completely changed my life. In this video, I'll break down why your brain gets stuck in this vicious cycle of procrastinating and share a simple plan to help you escape it. So stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have exactly what you need. And look, if you can't even watch a 5 minutes video, how the hell are you gonna achieve anything in life? Before we dive into how to stop procrastinating, let's talk about something that's actually causing it: dopamine, a chemical that makes you feel good. So, back in the day, our ancestors used to get their dopamine from things that actually took effort, like hunting, conquering, building stuff, forming relationships. They actually had to earn it. But today, dopamine is cheap, it's easy, it's literally in your pocket. You can scroll through TikTok, Instagram, boom, instant gratification, no work needed. And that's exactly why you procrastinate. Your brain has been trained to go for these easy, quick dopamine hits. Why would it want to do something that actually takes longer, like working on your business or studying, when it can get a dopamine rush from just scrolling? And the more you rely on these quick, easy dopamine hits, the harder it gets for you to actually focus on the work that actually matters. And that's the exact reason why you can't work. Because it's too damn boring when compared to scrolling. Work doesn't give you those instant rewards. It takes time to see those results and feel satisfied. Your brain isn't used to waiting for those rewards anymore. When you sit down to study or work, there is no instant pleasure like on social media. That's why it's so damn hard to work. When you grab your phone, it's like, oh, someone liked my story. Oh, this post is hilarious. Your brain lights up. That's why you keep reaching for your phone instead of actually getting things done. And look, I'm not judging. As I told you, I've been there myself. I used to reach for my phone first thing in the morning, and it would kill my focus for the entire day. I couldn't work for more than a few minutes without reaching for my phone. But I found a simple way to break this cycle. So here's the answer. You have to let yourself get bored. Yep, I know it sounds weird, but stay with me. When you strip away all distractions, no social media, no YouTube, no Netflix, no nothing, your brain starts to look for something to do. And suddenly, even the tasks that you have been avoiding starts to seem way more fun and interesting. It's like when you're starving, even a plain sandwich sounds amazing. Think about it. Solitary confinement is considered one of the worst forms of punishment because there are zero distractions. And there are even studies that shows that people would rather electrocute themselves than sit alone with their thoughts. That's how powerful boredom is. Alright, so enough of my yapping, let's get into how to actually stop procrastinating. From tomorrow, when you wake up, resist the urge to look at your phone. I know it's tempting, but trust me, that first dopamine hit sets the tone for the entire day. And when you get that dopamine hit from your phone, your brain will crave it all day long. And it gets so hard to focus on the work. Next, carve out a boredom window where there are zero distractions. No social media, no TV, no Netflix, no nothing. Just focus on your most important tasks. Let your brain get so bored that even the work starts to seem fun. And please, for the love of God, please don't touch your phone from the moment that you wake up till the moment you have completed your work. You can use your phone all you want after you have actually completed your work. Try it and it will work wonders for you. I can guarantee it. Now that you have learned how to stop procrastinating, it's time for you to actually achieve your goals. Watch this video right here if you want to achieve your goals on easy mode. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.